Ayun na nga, again guys, I'm Ranger Dave from Toy Station Action and nandito tayo sa Heroes Dimension, ang official headquarters ng Heroes Comic Con Philippines. And again guys, this right now is meron tayong bundle set that is available right here. So this is the Silverhawk Super 7 set right here. So nandito yung available natin na apat, of course yung mga bida. These are MISB, inspected ng ating kalaban right here with his throne. So this is super exciting guys because we needed to check if everything's okay. But yeah, hindi lang kita dito sa camera. We also have Mumbo Jumbo and then of course si Windhammer na available dito. So this set right here guys, this bundle set is available for 35,000 yan. So I only mentioning it right now kasi this is a promo working right here dito sa sa Heroes Dimension. So guys, if you want to avail this guys, make sure to drop by sa ating Nomo Visamos Lifestyle Center dito sa Bacoor, Cavite, located at the 3rd level. So yan guys, again, these set is right here para sa ating mga Super 7 collectors and of course doon sa mga classic cartoon collectors natin na nanonood ng Silverhawks and then yung mga Thundercats and other whatnot right there. Yung mga Motu, yan, this is the perfect set guys na para i-pair doon sa inyong mga collection. Again guys, this is basically right here, there's 2, 4, 6, and then 8 yan. So I believe this is 8 pieces right here. So very exciting this set right here for Super 7. So yan, peace out guys. Make sure to follow ang ating Facebook page Heroes Dimension and kita-kits sa Heroes. Bye, God bless.